when I first met you, one of the very distinctive quality or characteristic that I saw in you was your passion for near perfect design of your projects. How the whole if you're building a township, how right from how the light is going to come through the entire township to how the wind should pass. I've interacted with so many entrepreneurs, and never have I seen somebody speak so passionately about all these small things. How did you
speak? It is doing.
Yeah.
I'll tell you. Are we making buildings just to satisfy our Excel sheets, or are we making buildings to satisfy the humans staying in it? That's the difference. Every location has got different geography, different wind directions, different sun paths. My first design brief to my architect is to give me study. It has become now in our DNA. It has become in our DNA.
Yeah.
जैसे आपको अपनी वाइफ को बोलना नहीं पड़ता है कि मेरे को हेल्दी खाना खिलाओ, मुझे आर्किटेक्ट को बोलना नहीं पड़ता है कि मेरे को ये डिज़ाइन फिलॉसफी की बिल्डिंग दो. I explained you in one of my projects, but that is for all our projects.
This one, no? Exactly.
I'll tell you. This Panvel project, a very responsible township coming up, where there will be minimum 4 to 5 lakh people staying in 55,000 houses. Their health, their happiness, their well-being is depending how a developer conceives. When the thought came to us that we have to make a township, what does the township needs? It needs good connections, good transport, good rail network, good connectivity to surrounding areas so that people staying in the township get jobs at a very convenient location. But my brief was something different. Climate change is happening throughout the world, and I would like next generation developers and fund people to keep this as a checklist in there. We have no control on climate change, but we have control on what locations to select for our projects. We wanted to search a plot which meets my requirement. Mumbai city, traffic, I have no control. Pollution, I have no control. Sea levels, we have no control. We wanted to search a location which insulates my customers from all these things. In last monsoons, you must have seen many townships in low-lying areas were submerged, especially in unplanned cities. Who's responsible for that? I would call developer responsible. They just see number games, सस्ता land ले लो, and they don't do homework कि क्या बनाना है, कैसे बनाना है. How this water logging in the townships happened? Because developers' research was not there. The biggest challenge for me was nobody in India was able to understand my needs. कि मैं क्या research चाहता हूँ. So I inquired. There's a university in Hong Kong who has this database, who does this homework. We went to Hong Kong. I appointed AECOM from Hong Kong to be my consultant. That whether the land parcel what I am buying is insulated from flooding, from quality of air, from communication. They did a homework for me. As a developer, although I am doing this business of making feet and selling, number game or whatever it is, at the end of the day, my job satisfaction is when my customer lives happily there. Their health is good. Their children are not obese. The senior citizens lead a peaceful life. People don't have bronchitis who stay in my campus there. The research done by Hong Kong University very clearly told me, do this, do this, do this, do this. And believe you me, we have incorporated all that in our master plan. A building, what we make in BKC is a town planning, where corporation has made roads. We just raise the plinth. But in undeveloped areas, unless our master plan is very meticulously conceived, the project will not get success. Or project will get, we may start the project, we may sell, but one wrong monsoons, water level going 5 meters, 10 meters, first floor water coming. Now tell me, what's the position of those people who have taken houses in those housing areas? They are under stress. Their property values have gone down, and in monsoons they are cut off. Is it a good planning? If the developer would have done this homework, which I would request through your media, government agencies should insist not only on IOD conditions and building planning and open spaces, they should insist on undeveloped areas to do this homework, do this research. In case there is flooding, I'll give you a study in this. Every year, sea level is going up by a few centimeters. What will happen after 20 years? New Bombay, Palm Beach road will be underwater after a few years, because this is the study is showing me. And this study is becoming more realistic day by day. We are seeing it. कहीं कुछ हो रहा है, कहीं कुछ हो रहा है, कहीं कुछ हो रहा है. We have no control on Mother Nature because we have spoiled ourselves. But we have control as a builder in what we are conceiving. If the low-lying area is there, for God's sake, please fill it up. Try to see that the customer who's going to live there don't be penny-wise, pound-foolish of avoiding the cost of filling. Try to see that client gets a very safe place to stay. This study shows me, we did research, which are the most happy countries. I don't know, you are a number game person, whether you have done research on happiness.
Happiness index.
Happiness. And why happiness is there? When people are staying in a healthy neighborhood. What is healthy neighborhood? When they are staying in a good climatic conditions. This location, what has been decided and selected, is having a huge, 7 times bigger than Sanjay Gandhi natural, your nature park, whatever you call, national park. The quality of air is absolutely clean. Quality of water is coming clean, or it comes from the taps. But safety. The next challenge came, obesity. Children today are not doing any physical exercise because there are no playgrounds. Developers are going on making podiums. They are going on making car parkings. They are going to take everything by way of money. We have tried to give maximum play areas so that child should not be addicted to your televisions, laptops, and he should go and play. India is the biggest center of diabetes. We builders are responsible. We are not giving them places to play healthily. We are. Children schooling, they should study in the neighborhood. आज एक बच्चे का मैं देखता हूँ 8 बजे स्कूल है और 7 बजे वो छोटे बच्चे को बस लेने आती है. Just imagine that poor child, उसकी माँ उसको कितने बजे उठाती होगी, कितने बजे उसको क्या, I'm sorry to say, उसको नहाना, धोना, ब्रेकफास्ट करना. Who's that fault? It's a wrong, faulty planning. बिल्डर खाली अपनी बिल्डिंग बनाता है, एलिवेशन देखता है, एक्सेल शीट देखता है, प्रॉफिट देखता है. Is he seeing the health of his people staying in his campus? For us, everything is important. Health of a child, health of a grandparent, health of the young generation who are going to work there. We selected this location, which is 1.5 kilometers from railway station. We holded on to this project for 4 years till Government of Maharashtra started suburban line, because we don't trust कि कब होगा. Government के plans बहुत होते हैं और कब floor पे आता है we don't know. When they started suburban line, we requested our office, now time has come to take off. Station, Trans Harbour work started, airport work started. So this becomes a very convenient place for the people to live. Before we even completing the first building, our school will be ready. So that a person, and it's a condition, that a child, people who are going to live here should get the admission. Now we are planning a university there. Next job is, to have a hospital there, so that automatically these things revolve. The second challenge as per study was, wind is changing direction 4 times in a year. Wow. This was very interesting question for me. I had a sleepless night. Wind is changing direction. I can't change the direction of the building as per wind, but The planning has been adopted in such a way that all the flats are having, maximum number of flats are having cross ventilations, and the window which is serving the purpose of cross ventilation in one direction is serving the purpose of the ventilation to come when the wind is changing direction. See, I'll tell you, if you are living in a healthy environment, sleeping in a pure air and healthy air, you are fresh in the morning, your brain is getting fresh air, your quality of life improves, your health improves, your output improves.
Yeah.
Today, people are sleeping in air conditioning. It is, your air conditioners. Same foul air is moving throughout. You are sleeping in cold air, but you are inhaling your own carbon dioxide. It's not a very healthy sign. So see what happens. I have done nothing but concentrated only on conceiving and planning, detailing at the concept. अभी बिल्डिंग बनेगी, अच्छी बन रही है, बजट के हिसाब से बन रही है, आप उसको अफोर्डेबल बोलो, मिक्स सेगमेंट बोलो, कि लग्जरी सेगमेंट बोलो, how mixed market is absorbing, then. But one thing to the real estate fund people, if your project you are funding is conceived well, planned well, and meticulously implemented, you are never going to get stuck in that project. Because market is very intelligent now. No chalta attitude. पहले चलता था, अभी नहीं चलता है. People want a small example I'll give. We have just launched a project in Mulund. First phase was very well completed. People saw, very well planned, very well executed, completed. Second phase, within 2 months' time, we have sold around more than 238 flats. People are full. At the same time, a very branded developer in Mulund has launched. I don't know what to say. They have shelved the project because of the faulty planning. Planning is the most important thing in real estate. Building बनाने में तुम marble क्या लगाता है is a different issue, tile क्या लगाता है is a different issue, a client can change it. But basic plan of the building, a client cannot change. Human safety of fire brigade, human safety of staircases, they cannot change. Today, most of the people who get trapped, like World Trade Center, we did research, maximum people died because of smoke. We builders are responsible. We are putting staircases inside in the core. It's a faulty planning. आदमी मरता है, बिल्डर को सोचना चाहिए कि मेरे घर का कोई मरा है. He should not give staircases inside, he should give staircases outside. क्योंकि smoke should go out. Smoke should not be allowed to be trapped in the building. So in most of our building, and we try to give staircases which are outside. At least people in case of fire, they evacuate themselves before the even fire brigade comes. These are very small things here. Don't leave things to architects only. Architects are there to support the vision of a developer. I have seen developers sometimes saying building अच्छा बना दो, पर क्या बना दो they don't say. In our cases, I involve myself and I have groomed my team to make a very practical building. And to see that people get all the conveniences. This design philosophy, what I explained you, is for all our projects, not even Panvel. Every project, what we think, we see inside out. Then comes the environment, the skin of the building. We try to be very particular. See, detailing is most important when we have got success till now, only because of we have seen lots of ups and downs in life.